This is the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for July 17th, 2020. So highlights for today is it looks like it's going to be a hot one out there for today. Breezy conditions develop today as well, and those winds will continue through the weekend. We are looking at high fire danger across portions of the Snake Plain and Magic Valley today, and that will remain possible through the weekend as well. It will be a little bit cooler on Saturday as we have a front working through the region, but it'll still remain rather mild as we head through midweek. So just looking at our satellite image for today, and as you can see, we have a low pressure system that's sitting up in southern Canada. We do have a cold front that's extending down through that, and that's the cold front that will be coming through the region this afternoon. There is an outside possibility of a stray thunderstorm, especially in the hills south of Pocatello this afternoon. But don't think we're going to see a whole lot of rainfall for that. We're looking at dry thunderstorms from that possibly. Most of the area, though, will remain very dry, but breezy and hot today. So just looking at the weather impact overview, once again, just to summarize some very warm conditions across the region today. A lot of wind across much of the area as well. Winds do diminish somewhat on Saturday and Sunday and will be mainly confined to the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. So just looking at our humidity fields for today, and as you see here, very dry out across the Arco Desert and around towards INL. And that's where we have our red flag warning in effect. As we go through Saturday, those very dry humid conditions can persist across the region, and that continues into Sunday as well. As we look at our wind gusts today, you see we're forecasting wind gusts in excess of 35 miles per hour out across portions of the Snake Plain and Magic Valley, where we have the red flag warning in effect for today. Winds are a little bit lighter on Saturday, but still there's that core of 35 mile per hour winds plus generally out towards craters in the INL region. And on Sunday, once again, the winds are just a touch bit lighter, but still winds in excess of 30 miles per hour around INL and the craters area. Looking at our high temperature forecast today, it will be a toasty one across much of the region, with lows in the low to mid 90s across a good chunk of the region. On Saturday, it is going to be a touch cooler, but still looking at highs at least in the upper 80s, if not close to 90. And on Sunday, our temperatures once again in the upper 80s to low 90s. So just to summarize, it's going to be very hot today. Breezy conditions through the weekend, and because of those breezy conditions and low humidity, we will have some fire danger through the weekend as well, and it will remain somewhat mild through midweek. So that concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you.